Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with a review of Tozo's glass screen protector for the iPhone XR, or the iPhone XR, whichever you want to call it. So I went ahead and bought this off Amazon. It was about $8. It came in a 3-pack, so I wanted to go ahead and try it out. It had really good reviews, so usually that's a good indicator, unless it's something that just came out, because sometimes when you have products that just come out, it'll have 5 or 6 5-star ratings, and you look at the dates and they're there before the phone or the device or whatever even comes out. So always look at the reviews and make sure they're legit. But this one had lots and lots of compelling good reviews, so I want to try it out. It's got a installation tray, which is super important in the world of glass screen protectors, and it's a 3-pack, which makes life even better because you have 2 extras. In case anything happens to it, you have spares, or if you mess up the installation, you also have spares. So you got the glass screen protectors there. Let's just dump all this out. We've got our screen protector accessories, which I'll open that up here in a second. And the little tray is caught on a piece of cardboard. There. Alright, so nothing left in the box. But this is what the box looks like. Pretty cool. Well, maybe I was mistaken. I thought it was 3. Apparently it's a 2-pack. The other one I was going to buy was a 3-pack. So this is a 2-pack. Alright, so first thing we want to do is go ahead and clean our phone screen before we put all this on. If you don't clean it, then you're just going to end up ruining it. So they got a alcohol prep pad. They got this microfiber wipe, and then it's got this little sticker which you can use. I'm not going to use the sticker. I'm going to use my packaging tape that I always use because it's much more adhesive. So let's clean this off. And I always recommend having a screen protector, ideally a glass one. That way, in case you drop it, if it gets damaged, you don't have to worry about your screen. Alright, so I'm going to use this to wipe this off. And it's so much easier whenever you have a screen that's not curved to put these things on. So this should go on pretty easy. Get this out of the way, so we're just going to work this methodically up so we can make sure we get everything off the screen. Make sure there's nothing left. And I like to make sure the tape overlaps a little bit, so that way you're not going to have any gaps in coverage. When I say overlap, I mean overlap the previous place that I put the tape. Alright, so that should be good. So we're going to go ahead and put this on. You can see the cutouts there for the volume buttons and then for the power button. So we'll go ahead and put the installation tray on like this. And then it's got a little pull tab here. Pull this off. Easy peasy. You can see it's got the cutout there for the earpiece / speaker. And I'm going to go and turn it to the left. Make this flush with the installation tray. Ideally. There we go. And go ahead and get the little air bubbles out from underneath there. Make sure it gets seated all the way. It's definitely got, it seems like it's got some decent glue on it, so that's good. I'll get these out. They're a little tricky sometimes. There. All right, everything should seal up nice and good. Don't have any issues around the edges. Ta-da! There's one little place. So, seems like it's okay so far. I'll go ahead and fire my phone up. It's not a matte finish or tinted or anything like that. It's just a regular old normal screen protector. The edges look fine. The edges are black though. So, I don't know if that hides anything. I mean, maybe it does, but it seems like it's sealed up and seated properly, so I don't really have any concerns with it. Turn this down. But all in all, I think it turned out pretty good. Just gotta make sure everything seals up right. There we go. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Anyway, so I'm gonna use this one. It seems like it should go all right. I didn't really have any problems getting it on whatsoever. Just make sure you clean everything thoroughly. It seems like it's made pretty well. Actually, it seems pretty thick. It is 9H hardness. Let's see what else it says in the box down there. Zoom. Light transmission rate up to 99%. Oleophobic coating, that's nice. Tempered glass. Prevent the screen bursting effectively. Okay. Anyway, so again, this is the Tozo glass screen protector, which is apparently a 2-pack. It's available on Amazon. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments section. As always, I will get back with you. And that's all I got for today. So I'll see you guys next time.